Gamestop gift card to buy Nintendo. In today's video, we are going to talk if you can use Gamestop gift card on Nintendo Switch. So let's get started. To buy Nintendo, currently unfortunately you won't be able to use your Gamestop gift card to buy Nintendo. However, you can do a thing, you can sell your Gamestop gift card and use that money to buy games or anything in Nintendo. So how can you sell it? In order to sell it, there is this website which is called G2A. You will search in Google as I have done it and you will find the website. And the second one is Race Marketplace. It is also available on the Google or your browser. So you guys can see now you can buy and sell gift card right here and get the money in your bank account or PayPal, which you will easily be able to use in your Nintendo. So that's all. That's how you will be able to use GameStop gift card on Nintendo Switch.